Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. BJP decides to go ahead with mega alliance with MGP, GVP and independents for Zilla Panchayat polls. Seat sharing decision on Thursday. Attack on whistleblowers. Activists condemn government. Demands immediate arrest of attackers of Amrut Singh, Hanumant Parab and Captain Sawant. Zilla Panchayat poll ordinance challenged in High Court. Delimitation of constituencies also under question. High Court issues notice to Goa government. Mining ban side effects. Excise, service tax revenue drops. Tourism industry too affected. Central Excise and Service Tax Department expresses concern. And Sagun Kamath powers Dempo Cricket Club to victory. Kakalo Goans paid dearly for catching lapses. Now the news in detail. BJP has decided to go for a mega alliance for ZP polls. BJP will club with MGP, GVP and independent MLAs supporting the government. BJP's core committee met Raksha Mantri Parrikar and stamped this decision on Tuesday. Now seat sharing is the bone of contention. Sources claim meeting on seat sharing will be held on Thursday. All eyes will be on the next move by group of descendant MLAs.
After much upheaval over seat sharing, BJP has finally decided to go ahead with mega alliance for Zilla Panchayat poll. BJP will club with the MGP, Miki Pacheco's GVP and independent MLAs supporting government. Pradesh BJP's core committee met Raksha Mantri Manohar Parrikar at Delhi. Meeting went on for 3 hours at Goa Sadan. They also discussed on probable candidates. Now there will be round of meetings in the state over seat sharing. MGP has demanded 19 seats, which may get curtailed if mega alliance is formed. Miki Pacheco, Abertan Furtado, Benjamin will handle Salsette for the BJP. Sources claim that by Thursday, seat sharing tangle will be solved. BJP has played a masterstroke by deciding to go ahead with mega alliance, while NCP and Congress have decided to back out from ZP polls. One can expect one-sided results, but now it is to be seen what will be the next move of 5 independent and other MLAs who have united against the government and how MGP fares through all this turmoil. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
Activists have condemned attacks on activists, raising their voices against rising illegal animal slaughter and gambling activity. Activists in Goa have demanded arrest of the attackers. Activists have become victims of the organized gangs, but till now nobody has been arrested. Animal Lovers Goa held a protest meet in Panji on Wednesday. Activists claim law and order situation in Goa has collapsed and activists feel insecure. Meanwhile, IGP informed that a special investigation committee has been formed to investigate into the attack case.
त्या सगळ्या जे हल्लेखोर आसा तांकां ताबडतोब अटक करची आणि हे बेगिना बेगीन पोलिसांनी करचे. जे बीफ ट्रेडिंग जाता कर्नाटक आसत महाराष्ट्र त्या प्रमाणे चेक पोस्टाचेर सगळे त्याचे चेकिंग करूंक जाय. एक हांगातल्यान एक आव्हान करता की तांच्यांनी जर येणाऱ्या 6 महिन्या भितर ह्यो गोष्टी सिरियसली घेतले ना जाल्यार गोंयच्या सगळ्या भागांत आमी जन आंदोलन हे तीव्र करतले. किरण पाणी हांगासर नवीन रस्तो जाल्लो आसा. आमी फाटीं पळयले ईदाच्या टायमार मोठ्या प्रमाणात जी जनावरां जी आसा पळय ती ट्रकान भरून भरून किरण पाणीच्यान गोंयान हाडली आणि तांकां सांगलेलें आसा की इमिजिएटली थंय चौकी जी आसा ती जावपाक जाय. आमचो डिमांड आयजीपी इमिजिएटली ताका ती सिरियसनेस कळ्ळे आणि स्पेशल SP आमचो महेश गांवकर हांची उमेश गांवकर हांची तांच्यांनी ह्या केसी खातीर स्पेशल ऑफिसर म्हणून अपॉइंटमेंट केल्ली आसा.
Hindu Janajagruti Samiti too has condemned the attack on the activists. The Samiti has accused police of collecting haftas from Matka and gambling agents and that politicians too are part of the chain.
जे कोण हे गुन्हे करणारे आहेत तर त्यांना कसं वाटतं की आपण काही केलं कोणी काहीच नाही करणार आहेत. म्हणजे कुठेतरी पोलिसाची धाकच नाही राहिली आहे. म्हणजे राजकारण्यांना किंवा पोलिसांना इच्छाशक्ती नाही की हा जुगार बंद व्हावा. कठोरात कठोर शिक्षा म्हणजे जे कोण दोषी आहेत त्यांना पकडून द्यायला हवी. नाहीतर आपल्याला पुढचा विचार करावा लागेल. आम्हाला इच्छा नाही की आम्ही कायदा हातात घ्यावा, पण नाहीतर आपल्याला वेगळ्या तऱ्हेने आंदोलन करून न्याय मिळवून द्यावा लागेल.
ह्या जुगारवाल्यांकडनं पोलीस लोक हप्ते घेतात हा माझा पूर्णतः आरोप आहे आणि त्यांनी सिद्ध करावं की आम्ही हप्ते घेत नाही म्हणून. जर सिद्ध करायचं असेल तर तो धंदा मटका असू दे, जुगार असू दे, वेश्या व्यवसाय असू दे हा का बंद होत नाही.
Captain Sawant said he will not stop his fight against illegal gambling even if attacked again. He blamed temple committees for promoting illegal gambling in jatras.
मोठे कल्पित आहे ते देवस्थान समिती. ही समिती जी असतात ते ठरवतात आणि कारण या समितींना पैसे पाहिजे असतात. देवाला पैसे नको, देवाला कुठल्याच देवस्थानला पैसे नको, समितीला पैसे पाहिजे आणि त्यांना तो वाटा मिळत नाही. मग समितीमध्ये भांडण होतात. देवस्थान आमची नॉर्थातच बंद आहे. हा जुगाराचा लढा हा कंपल्ट पुढे तक नेणार आहे. हा सोडणार नाही जीवात जीव असेपर्यंत.
It's been almost 15 days, but attackers of Amrut Singh and Hanuman Parab are not arrested. Anti-gambling activist Captain Sawant too is facing the same fate. Activists have warned to take law in their hands if attackers are not brought to book. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar said that environment clearance suspension order on mining leases in Goa, which were ordered in 2012, will likely be revoked within 8 days by Union Ministry for Forest and Environment. CM met Union Minister of Environment and Forest Minister Prakash Zavadekar. CM says Zavadekar has assured revocation of EC suspension order.
आमचो प्रयत्न आसा आणि सामकें पॉझिटिव्ह आसा. म्हज्या अंदाजान विदिन अ वीक्स पिरियड जी EC विड्रॉ केल्ली ती विड्रॉवल लेटर विड्रॉ जातलें आनी काम करपाक फुडें वचपाक वाट मोकळी जातली असो म्हजो अंदाज आसा.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.